Page 60, the bubble. That's the last piece in the book. Congratulations if you made it this far, you've done very well. If this is your first time through the book, I encourage you to go through it again as a review, because you will pick up things you missed and you'll remember things you've forgotten. So just go through the video discussions and through the book and play all the pieces again. Make sure you can play them. For the bubble, we have a pickup beat at the beginning. We've had that before, coming in on beat 4 because it's in 4/4 time. You're starting out in this position, so you're in G position. Got some fun things going on. The melody pretty much is in the right hand, so if you can, play the melody louder than the left. Go to the bottom of page 60, the last line. Next to the last measure, you got C sharps. They're both C sharps because that sharp sign applies to the rest of the measure. So the second C is also C sharp. And then once we go to the next measure, that sharp doesn't count anymore. Then go to the third line on page 61, and we have the G chord. These are broken G chords, and they're accented, so just drop the wrist and give it a little extra oomph. Don't play with a stiff wrist. Let that be a little flexible. I exaggerated for the camera. It doesn't have to be a big movement, but... And then the last note on that third line, soft. And the last line they say very slowly, so because you have a B flat in that. And there's a fermata on the half note. When we do the play with me, I'm going to hold that out 4 counts instead of 2, and then we'll go on. The fermata over the rest in the top staff is just keeping the hands together because of the fermata in the half note. They need a fermata in the top staff to go along with a fermata in the half note. Otherwise, one hand is going to pause and the other hand's going to keep going. And we don't want that. That doesn't make any sense. So they have to put a fermata in the other staff someplace so you can wait. The right hand needs to wait on the left, and then both hands together, and you can play both hands the same here. It's loud and it's quickly. And a staccato at the end, and then a staccato and an accent on there for the last beat, and you just bounce off. Have fun with it. It says with excitement at the beginning. I'm not sure if you're excited. How are you going to do this? So like that, medium loud, and then third line down is medium soft. That's the right hand. The left hand has to be really soft. Then the last line is back up to medium loud. It's just a little louder than medium soft, not much. And the last 2 measures of this page 60 is loud. And then you back down to medium soft. Make sure you do the dynamics. They add a lot to the piece. So you get the notes and the rhythms and the fingering. And make sure you get the phrasing okay. Not much in there, but go ahead. And then add the dynamics. Add so much. And you keep it slow until you can play it all the way through without any hesitations. Then you can gradually speed it up. Now when I play with a metronome, I can't change speed. So we're going to play the whole thing at 1 speed, slow. I'm not going to do the dynamics. You can do that on your own. So let's go ahead and try this out together slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Since it has a pickup beat, I'm only going to give us 3 counts. So go ahead and put your hands in G position, and here we go. There's no pedal on this. 1, ready, go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, rest. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 3. 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3. 3. Hold 2. Rest. Rest.